Hey friends, so it's me Tika, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can do your hair into these beautiful long boho hippie locks that are 30 inches long, sis. If you are wanting to save some money, you want to save the hassle from making your hair appointment and coming up with all the money to get your hair done, girl, I got you. So in today's video, I'm about to show you how you can save some more money, cancel that hair appointment, and do your hair on your own. Just have some time to do your hair. Girl, be like, thank you, Tika. I didn't got my hair done. Now I can go about my business. This hair was sent to me from Samsbeauty.com, and they have actually sent me over this hair to come and review, and this is my honest review. They do have a YouTube channel that you can for sure subscribe to. Follow them on Instagram, you can follow them on their TikTok, you can follow them on their Twitter, you can even follow them on their Facebook page. And if you want to know all the information, I will leave all of that for you in the description box below, so you can be sure to check all of that out for yourself. Check out their website, see all of the amazing products that they have, because they have so many hair care products that you can find, so many crochet hairstyles that you can find, so many wigs that you can find. The list goes on, and you are gonna for sure to love Samsbeauty.com. And also, the best thing about it all is that when you do your hair, they will be sure to feature you on their Instagram account, on their TikTok. You just got to do the hairstyle, and you got to show off that pretty cute little hairstyle, and they will for sure feature you. Thank you, Samsbeauty.com, for sending me over this hair to come review for my audience today. I appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Before I begin any of my hair projects, the first thing that I like to do is I like to see what kind of hair that I'm going to be buying and see how much come in one pack, just so it'll give me an idea of how I'm going to part my hair and how much parts I need, and to know for a fact that I'm going to have enough hair before I begin my hair project. We don't like to begin our hair and then we got to run back to their beauty supply store or order some of her from Amazon, and then, you know, we got to walk around with a half full head, because nobody got time for that. The hair that I will be using is the FreeTress synthetic hair crochet braids boho hippie locks 30 inches. One pack of hair comes with 16 strands of hippie locks, and I have 6 packs, and 16 times 6 is 96, but I didn't use the whole 96. I only used 91. So I did 91 plaits because I didn't want it to be too heavy. You may not want to have 96 strands in your head. You may want to have less, or you may want to have more. So it's totally up to you to decide how many you would like to have in your hair. My favorite thing about this crochet hair is that, y'all know, some of this hair, the crochet hair, the loop just don't be that stretchable. Now this loop, it stretches as much as you need it to stretch, and this hair is so soft. I love it because it's so soft. I love to use this orange shining jam. It is the truth. I love it because it leaves your hair nice and sleek, especially when it comes to the braids. It doesn't have that buildup, you know, that white residue that most hair care products leave in your hair. Some rubber bands, crochet needle with the hook. I bought this springy twist hair from Amazon, and I love this springy twist hair because it fluffs out perfectly and it is really soft. Take the crochet hook, and you're gonna make sure the latch is closed. You're gonna take it and you're gonna put it up under that braid, up under the rubber band. Once you do that, you're gonna make sure you pull that latch back, because once you pull it back, we are now gonna take the crochet hair where that loop is, where that circle is on the crochet hair, and you're gonna attach that on the hook of the crochet needle. And then we're gonna drop the needle, because we don't need that needle no more. Drop that needle, put it aside wherever you need to put it. We don't need it no more. Take the crochet hair where that loop is, and you're basically just gonna knot your hair, like pull it in a knot, and that's it. Now here is the fun part friend. Now taking that beautiful little springy twist hair that I showed you in the beginning of the video, I like to cut it in half and I like to fluff it out a little bit, and then I like to also do the same exact thing. We just gonna take that hair and put it up under that braid, attach that hair, pull it through, and then we're just gonna start wrapping it like a faux lock. There are so many videos here on YouTube that will have a better explanation on how you can wrap your faux lock. I can show you a different video on how you can wrap your faux lock. Got our first hippie lock installed, and you did that, girl. You did that. You did that, girl. You did that, girl. You did it. You did it. And then you're gonna continuously do the rest of your hair in these beautiful hippie faux locks. You did that, and you're gonna look so beautiful, and you're gonna love it. Now let me show you some styles, okay? There's so many ways that you can style this hair. I wouldn't suggest for you to put into a ponytail just yet, because my hair was like so tight. My hair was tight for like 3 days, so I don't mind. Beauty is pain, so I gotta get adjusted to the hippie locks, okay? If you do want to know about the bangle that I do have, this is actually a bracelet bangle that I found off Amazon, but your sis had to be creative and find a way to jazz it up this hairstyle a notch, because I couldn't find a golden ponytail holder. What you think, friend? How did I do on these BOHO Hippie 30-inch locks? I love them, and if you decide to do your hair, follow me on Instagram and you tag me in your hairstyle, because I want to see that. So share with me, follow me on Instagram and share with me. Like, talk to me, y'all. Don't be scared to talk to me on Instagram. Like, socialize with me. What y'all think about my bubble braids though? What y'all think about my bubble braids though? I really love them bubble braids, y'all. I have gotten so much compliments from that. That literally took me 8 hours to do those bubble braids, and to do these hippie locks, it still took me 8 hours to do this. So but it's okay, because I know eventually I will be getting faster and faster at doing these natural crochet hairstyles, but that's okay. I'm about to head up out of here. Y'all make sure y'all drinking up all y'all water. Y'all make sure y'all get as much sunlight as you possibly can, and you be safe out there. I love you. I love y'all. If anybody have not said they love you, I love you. And peace out, you guys.